Hi crafty friends, welcome to your exclusive members only Coffee Before Chaos sign DIY kit. This kit comes with everything you need: a wood backing, paints, Mod Podge, paintbrushes, cardstock, laser cuts, jute rope, and fun add-on options like bows, greenery, and paint droppers. Start by painting your laser cutouts. Once finished, set them aside to dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Next, prep your board with an even layer of Mod Podge across the entire surface. This will help your cardstock adhere better with less chance of air bubbles. Center your cardstock onto the board. Then smooth it out with your fingers or a flat edge tool. Work from the center outward to prevent air bubbles. Then seal it with a thin layer of Mod Podge on top. Before the Mod Podge fully dries, arrange and press your laser cuts into place. Let them dry for 10 to 20 minutes. You could add paint droppers to your kit for extra flair. Plug in your hot glue gun and allow that to heat up. Now take your rope and create a tiny circle at one end. Add a small dot of glue to your project where you want your rope to start, and press down to anchor it. Continue tracing the board with glue, spiraling the rope into place. Finish off your sign with a bow, greenery, or both for a custom touch. And that's it. Your Coffee Before Chaos sign is ready to enjoy. Thanks for crafting with us. Share your creation and tag us at Crazy Craft Creations. We love to see what our fellow crafters create. If you love this DIY, you can find more like this one on our website at www.crazycraftcreations.com. Happy crafting!